Good morning to all of my beloved students of class 4. Welcome back to our English class. Today I am going to discuss chapter 2 exercise as revision. So open the page number 13. I am starting from the number 10. He does not like bread and butter. Here butter is uncountable. Number 11. He put some toothpaste on his brush and walked into the bathroom. Toothpaste is uncountable. Brush and bathroom is countable. Number 12. Oil and water do not mix easily. Oil and water uncountable. Number 13. Ramen met with an accident and there was blood all over his clothes. Here blood is uncountable and accident is countable. Number 4. Luck was on his side and he won a lot of prizes at the fair. Here fair is countable and luck is uncountable. Please look at the board. Number 15. There was no electricity in the town because of the floods. Electricity is the uncountable, town is countable and also floods is countable. Number 16. The weather was fine. We spent the day in the garden. Weather is uncountable and garden is countable. Number 17. When we listen to good music, you lose all sense of time. Here music is uncountable and time is also uncountable. Number 18. She had eggs and toast for breakfast, meat at lunch and milk at bedtime. Breakfast uncountable and also milk uncountable. Number 19. There was no space in the drawing room, so they put the television set in the bedroom. Space is uncountable. The sand on the beach was clean and golden in color. Here space is uncountable. So I think you have understood what are countables and what are uncountables. Now move on. Pronouns 1. A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. Already you have learnt it. Now I discuss the exercise. Open the page number 18. What is the heading? Rewrite each of the following sentences replacing a noun with a pronoun wherever possible. Please look at the board. I have written. What is the sentence? Number 1, done in your book. Number 2, please see. Rima looked at the hill in the distance. Rima wanted to climb the hill. What is the answer? Rima looked at the hill in the distance. She wanted to climb it. Instead of Rima, we use she. Okay? Number 3. Sohrab was Rustam's son. But Sohrab and Rustam had never met. What is the answer? Sohrab was Rustam's son, but they had never met. So, they is pronoun. Number 4. Jim wanted to play and so Jim looked for his bat and ball. Jim wanted to play and he looked for his bat and ball. We use, instead of Jim, we write he. So, he is pronoun. Next, Arjun must not tease the dog because the dog might bite Arjun. Arjun must not tease the dog because it might bite him. Here, him is pronoun. Now, number 8. Gaurav and Saurav are brothers. Gaurav and Saurav fight with each other all the time. What is the answer? Gaurav and Saurav are brothers. They fight with each other. We use, instead of Gaurav and Saurav, pronoun they. Number 9. The bird flew its nest. The bird wanted to feed its young. What is the answer? The bird flew to its nest. It wanted to feed its young. We use it instead of bird. Now 10. Ali Baba followed the robbers to the cave. Ali Baba saw the robbers enter the cave. Ali Baba knew that the robbers hid all that robbers had stolen in the cave. What I have written? Ali Baba followed the robbers to the cave. He, instead of Ali Baba, we write he. He saw them enter it. Them used for the robbers noun, and it, instead of noun cave, we use it. He knew that they hid all that they had stolen in the cave. We use he knew that they for the robbers and also they for the robbers pronoun. Okay. Next, number 11. The crowd shouted and booed. The crowd wanted two home team to win. The crowd shouted and booed. It wanted the home team to win. We use it for the crowd noun. Number 12. Robi was sleeping. Karan came and woke him up. They went out to play. Here we use him instead of the Ravi and they for the Ravi and Karan. Now dear students, you have understood what I have explained as revision. I think you will learn in your home. Thank you students.